Oh my God, what's that video? Oh my God, I need mini fridge now. I bet Mom will ask for this, so that I'll buy the mini fridge. So I will ask for Mom that buy them. Mom,
Yes, Penelope.
can we buy a mini fridge?
Oh, okay, we will go to Target. Now let's get in the car.
Mom, can we buy a mini fridge?
Okay.
When they go to Target *.
Oh, we're here now. Then we can buy a mini fridge. Mom, can we buy this?
Okay. Then now let's go to the cashier.
Penelope and Mom buying the mini fridge *.
All right, and now let's go home now.
When they are going home *.
Okay, I'm back with home. Now, let's pack my skincare from mini fridge. I'm done packing up my skincare and mini fridge. Now, let's put them in the bathroom.
Penelope gets the mini fridge and bathroom *.
Ella, I pack the skincare and mini fridge. And so I buy the mini fridge. So I buy the jelly cat. And I buy the mini fridge the makeup. So that our mom will go to Target. And they are going home. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, or S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Sorry that I was a funniest. And thanks for watching.